Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I've got something a little bit different again for you all today. So my guy Ocean is coming up from London, and we've got the full day booked in the studio in Manchester. And the original plan was to bring in a subscriber, a rapper, and then make a full beat and song from scratch. So we had a drill rapper confirmed, but he's had to drop out. So then I put up another story on my Instagram, and a few different people popped up and said that I should shout Keon. Now, Keon is an artist that I personally know. I grew up in the same town as him, but we probably haven't seen each other for about 10 years, so it's just kind of crazy how we've connected again now. We both obviously went our separate ways in music, but he's been killing it as well. He's built up a good audience, and he's got some mad stories. He's done some crazy shows. Now, Keon isn't really a drill rapper, but I think I'm gonna put him on his toes today. I think me and Ocean are gonna cook up a drill beat, maybe something orchestral, but we might switch up the vibe. And then, yeah, we're just gonna get Keon to write to it. We'll make a full song from scratch, and I think it'll turn out sick, man. So I'm excited for this one. Alright, so I've just arrived at the studio, and I'm actually 10 minutes early for once. Usually I'm the late one, but I reckon Ocean's already in there eating a bowl of oats or something, so I'm gonna call him.
Yo, what's good?
I'm just at the studio now. Have you guys arrived in Manchester yet?
Yeah, I'm there now. I'm like right by the arm there. I'm gonna walk there, so I should be there in like 15 to 20 minutes.
Walking. Alright then, cool. So yeah, I'm actually the first one to arrive for the first time, so I'm just gonna get set up and then wait for everyone else. Yo.
Oh, look at us.
What's going on, bro?
Ready to vlog. What's good, man?
Good sense it. I'm on, good, are you?
I'm good.
How you doing, bro? Yo. What's good, bro?
Long time, bro. Jeez, man,
What's good, man?
oh, what you telling me, bro?
You good?
You're good, bro. You're
Nice
good.
to meet you, man.
Yes, big man, what you saying, bro? You good?
Alright, so Keon,
Yo.
we're gonna challenge you today, man. We know you're not a drill rapper, but...
Nah. You told me. I said I'm hip hop or garage. What you got for me, bro?
I think we're saying drill. What are you saying, Ocean?
Definitely drill. We're gonna put Huddersfield on the map.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Bringing drill to Huddersfield.
Right, so we're going to be using a plugin called Capsule. If anyone's watched my recent dark orchestral melody tutorial, it's the same plugin I used in that video. Basically, it's a little bit similar to Arcade with the layout, but rather than loops that you chop up, it's actual instruments that you can play. So they've got some sick pianos, strings, everything that's perfect for us making orchestral drill beats, but they do have other vibes as well. They've even got an 808 bank in there, pads, mallets, leads, everything you need. And they're constantly adding to it as well. So I know they've got some vocal banks planned. So we're going to start off with some, what are you saying, strings?
Yeah, let's do that.
So the way that it works is you have these different banks, and let's say for example you want some strings. You can click into the strings and you can either download the full bank or you can download the individual presets in different sounds. So the ones with the ticks there, they're the ones that I've already downloaded and used. All right, so I'm gonna start off with just some basic strings and get some chords down. So for the bass notes, I'm gonna start off with a simple progression. Top layer. Maybe invert this. Maybe switching one chord up, maybe?
Just this, maybe.
Yeah, it sounds kind of sick.
Sounds really full already.
But we could maybe speed that up a little bit and get more of a bounce. So in Capsule, you can even adjust things like the reverb and the delay, and if you wanted to, you could change the envelope settings. saying some maybe some short strings for the second one.
Like more choppy strings. Probably like the spizzicato or something like that, or staccato.
Yeah, I don't know like how to pronounce it. Yeah, there's two different ones, isn't there? Pizzicato. What we're saying, this one or these?
What about staccato? Nah, pizzicato, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Something more plucky.
Did that repeated?
What about if we just remove that one?
This one?
Yeah.
A bit more open. Actually sounds sick, that.
That sounds cool. Maybe
it
just
sounds
like
sick.
one more layer, and I think we should keep the melody really simple.
Yeah.
Give him like
Give him
space
some
to
space.
to breathe.
Alright, let's see what else they got. Which piano are you preferring? The
The
grand
first one you had.
Just the grand, yeah?
Yeah. Just something simple, innit?
Yeah, that's all it needs.
My manager's in Essex, he wanted to come up and he's vexed, he couldn't come up, he was like, I just wanted to come and sit in the back and network.
But really,
Yeah.
like not too sharp, you know. I
Yeah,
might even
yeah.
just make it in the high end.
I feel like it's gonna be one of them beats where it just kind of like builds up throughout the verse, you know, it gets more intense. But you just wanted to hear some drums now, oh, yeah. That's what he's waiting for.
Yeah, everyone is though, isn't
I'm thinking as well, in the hi-hat,
Yeah.
like the actual hi-hat, just touch up the, I think it's in this one. Is it the shift?
Oh no,
the
you're looking
feedback.
for the
Yeah,
right,
there.
right.
I'm thinking just to go crazy, like boom, 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 boom.
Absolutely mental.
Yeah, something simple like that, actually.
Yeah. Just on this one here, just make it quickly slide up like an octave and then straight back down.
You know, like when we break it down, like when
Yeah.
we structure it out, you can have like a sub bass section without the drums and just the melody.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
vroom, vroom, vroom.
What kind of hooks do you feel work on drill? What you feeling? What you feel? I can adapt to anything. I can write to whatever you kind of feel that you're trying to.
Like something like Aretha Franklin, like.
To be honest, like this is gonna be your take on drill. Like we want you to kind of be yourself as an artist.
Yeah, yeah.
Like just because you're on a drill beat doesn't mean that you have to now talk like
I
a
don't
drill
drip with the
rapper.
ups
You know what
and
I mean?
drops
You,
and drops, I don't-
yeah.
I don't
So you
know
can
that.
still do your own thing,
Yeah, yeah. So if
Definitely.
there's a bit of skipping in there, that's all right. Yeah.
whatever you want.
Cool. I got
Mm.
it before.
Do we get the legendary gunshot in there.
Yeah, was it that one that you just pressed? Nice one.
Nah, that's just a different one, but that one kind of works for a lot. Yeah,
That one was
yeah,
hard.
that one usually works.
I think we should leave it, and then
Yeah?
I mean, what do you think? You cool with it like that? Just add in the sub bass and that's it.
Yeah, we could leave it like this for now, and then maybe once we arrange things, maybe just add some transitions,
Yeah.
maybe some last minute effects. But I think, yeah, I don't know about you, but usually when I'm making beats, I tend to overdo it. But now that we've got an artist here, I need to leave that space for you, bro.
Hey, let's go.
Were you thinking to add
But
a sub bass in one
space in your
section?
production. I found you do leave good space, and even when you're doing your stuff, you don't got. I've heard you comment on that and said there's a lot of space for artists to come in, and I like that. In your,
When I was
you're an
first making
artist, so you
beats, I was
should
just
know.
adding like 10 layers, you know what I mean? Just adding everything.
Because you're
But-
trying to fill,
Yeah.
make a song from a beat,
course.
right?
Alright, I'm just gonna go with that one for now. Simple, just like that, innit? Just something to thicken it. You know what? Let's have this here. What do you think? Have it empty here.
Yeah.
So it's the intro. The only place we're gonna have the sub bass is here.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Done.
Yeah.
That's hard. What do you think?
Happy with it?
Yeah.
Too sick.
Yeah.
Court level, sick.
Sick,
Deadly.
man.
Alright, cool.
If
I'll
you
just
bounce
bounce
that
it.
out and then send it.
Bare bloopers coming up now, I'm just telling you. Fucking hell,
Have
man.
you seen Fumes the Engineer? His plugged in sessions.
Oh, just
Oh,
his
but his actual
session.
sessions.
These
Yeah, they're
sessions.
sick, aren't
We
they?
have to do those kind of reactions.
Yeah.
yeah.
Alright. Good to go?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's try it, Osh. Let's try it, Jay. Whoa. Aye. Listen. Yo. I ain't put raps in a boot or bando. Still curtain it, call it panto. Still done them in the dance like Rambo. Godfather, the thing come like Brando.
Do you want to record that again?
Yeah. Yo, I ain't put raps in. Okay. Yo, I ain't put raps in a boot or bando. Still curtain it, call it panto. Still done them in the dance like Rambo. Godfather, the thing come like Brando. Can't string me along like banjo. I'm feeling fine, me I do a fandango. Sweet with it, man, I call me mango. But I don't dip, man, I not Nando's. Old school been around since Kango. Pre that, yeah, I told you I do that. Use man, them a local in Gulag. Got this beat from Ocean, I knew that. Had a Cactus leaf, I should use that. I ain't leaving on none of that. I gotta leave it, I gotta do that. I'm gonna do that, yeah?
Hard, man.
I need them 2 lines at the end. They're the big lines, they're the hitters.
That sounded sick.
The Cactus.
Let me just gonna play it back.
Yo, I ain't put raps in a boot or bando. Still curtain it, call that panto. Done them in the dance like Rambo. Godfather, the thing come like Brando. Can't string me along like banjo. I'm feeling fine, me I do a fandango. Sweet with it, man, I call me mango. But I don't dip, man, I not Nando's. Let me try and hit the bar after. There's a total different bar. Like I'm coming in on the.
Yeah.
I'm coming in a bar early to hit. Let me just try it. Yeah, I'll just see. It might hit a bit more of a drillier vibe.
It's sounding hard though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Yo, I ain't put raps in a boot or bando. Still curtain that call like panto. Done them in the dance like Rambo. Godfather, the thing come like Brando. Can't string me along like banjo. I'm feeling fine, me I do a fandango. Sweet with it, man, I call me mango. But I don't dip, man, I not Nando's. Old school been around since Kango. Pre that, yeah, I told you I do that. Use man, them a local in Gulag. Got this beat from Ocean, I knew that. Had a Cactus leaf, I should use that. Yeah, I run with it. Nah, I don't wanna risk it, man, take the biscuit. So I'm gonna ride it whenever I can. I was on board and kept it raw. It was way too long, innit there, yeah? It needs to stop before, innit?
Your voice sounds sick on this.
Yeah.
Hey,
it sounds
thanks,
like
Like
bro.
that accent just sounds sick.
Jeez.
Is this your
Yeah,
first
from
time
you-
working with a rapper from up north?
Yeah, you know.
Yeah?
I think so, yeah.
It's my first time working with 2 drill producers as well. That are actually about that as well. Like, yo, see, I'm an English kid. I'm on a rolling limp biscuit. Been around this year now, I'm back with it. Cactus told man out to rap to this. I got a plan mapped out from the blue one. I'ma make this count like a coupon. Done it one time in the dance and do one. Watch when I bread that quickly and move on. Yo, never been in that. Gonna drill this, but I'm no dig that. So be up on the Lord and hit that. Free up my bros on a wing that. Ain't come back for a minute, I'ma sing that. Ocean wave, I'ma roll like Sinbad. Captain Jack, no pan, I'ma drill that. Cactus back, that's fam, so I'm in that. Told them, imagine being a drill rapper and going outside and you've actually got ops and shit to worry about. It's fucking stress,
Sounds
that,
like
innit?
stressed, innit?
Stress, bro. Got time for it, man. I think I want to sing a song about that shit that's going on in my life. I'm like, get me away from this life, bro. One time and I captured this, I don't trap for this, I don't bang for this, I just wrote my bars on the track for this. Whoa, grew up in council blocks, running around with 1,000 shots. Let them off like barking dogs, see a man them run from them heartless tops. Grew up in them council blocks, running around with 1,000 shots. Guns them about them dogs, see a man them run. Do we need melody on this chorus or what?
What, the way you spitting it?
Yeah, or not?
You can do two. You can do
Oh,
like
just
one
melody.
thing, and then I'll layer it, yeah.
Whoa, grew up in them council blocks, running around with 1,000 shots. Let them off like barking dogs, no man them a heartless trust. Grew up in them council blocks, running around with 1,000 shots. Let them off like barking dogs, no man that a heartless trust.
Nice.
Yeah, that was nice.
And then
And then the other one, a bit more with the melody.
Yeah.
Yeah. One time and I took this on tone, I don't bang for this, I just wrote my bars on the track for this. Yo, grew up in the council blocks, running around with 1,000 shots. Let them off like barking dogs, no man, them a heartless trust. Whoa, grew up in the council blocks, running around with 1,000 shots. Let them off like barking dogs, no man, them a heartless trust.
Nice.
I don't know.
That's it.
Alright, cool.
Different vibe.
Yeah. Loving it, man. Whoa. Yo. Whoa. Input raps in a boot or bando. Still curtain at corner, panto. Still done them in a dance like Rambo. Godfather, the team come like Brando. Can't swing me along like banjo. Feeling fine, me I do a fandango. Sweet with it, man, I call me mango. But I don't date man, I not Nando's. Old school, been around since Kango. Pre that, yeah, I told you I do that. Use man, them a local in Gulag. One more time, yeah, I told you I do that. Call that with it. One time and I capture this, I don't trap for this, I don't bang for this, I just wrote my bars on the track for this. I told them, grew up in council blocks, running around with 1,000 shots. Let them off like barking dogs, no man, them a heartless trust. Grew up in council blocks, running around with 1,000 shots. Let them off like barking dogs, no man, them a heartless trust. See, I'm an English kid, I'm on a rolling limp biscuit. Been around, now I'm back with it. Cactus told man out to rap to this. I got a plan mapped out from the blue one. I'ma make this count like a coupon. Done them in a dance one time, then I do one. Watch when I bread that quickly and move on. Never been in that. Gonna drill this, but I'm not dig that. Still re up on the Lord and hit that. Free up my bros on the wing that. Ain't come home for a minute, I'ma sing that. Ocean wave, man, I roll like Sinbad. Captain Jack, no plan, I'ma drill that. Cactus back, that's fast, so we told them. Yo, man, I hit that. Grew up in them council blocks, running around with 1,000 shots. Let them off like barking dogs, no man, them a heartless trust. Grew up in them council blocks, running around with 1,000 shots. Let them off like barking dogs, no man, them a heartless trust. There's a couple of little bits of when I say sing, maybe there's a couple of words that could be tightened up, I think. But I think that might be just the ad-lib at the end, that when you bring that down, it'll clear it out.
Yo, so we just finished recording the track, and I think for his first drill track, he killed it, man. What are you saying, Keon?
I just speaking to Ocean about it. I'm grateful that I got to jump on something brand new, you know. Yeah, man.
Ocean, what do you think of it?
He smashed it. I think it sounds sick, man. It
Yeah.
sounds really good.
Ibrahim, you a fan of it?
This shit.
We finally got on a track together after so long, bro.
It's been about 10 years since I've seen this guy. We grew up in the same town, so
Yeah.
man, it was good to link up again.
Definitely, Jay.
And yo, if you were feeling the sounds that we used in the beat, then check out Capsule Audio. I'll leave a link to that in the description. But thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.